The disciplines of chemistry and chemical and biomolecular engineering are very close. I mean, they have a solid basis in, of course, chemistry, mathematics, physics. Being in the same building actually fosters collaboration between faculty.
Being able to have both me and my students talk to other professors and other students in different research groups in completely different areas, just being right down the hall gives you a new perspective on the work that you're doing.
This is a little unique because now you have the entire chemical and biomolecular engineering department in one location, and a significant portion, about 60% of the research portfolio of the chemistry and biochemistry faculty in proximity with each other.
It makes a huge impact in recruiting faculty, and of course faculty are going to be attracting students and driving the education process, so you want the best faculty. It also helps you recruit graduate students and even undergraduate students because they come and they see the facilities and they're impressed with what we have to offer.
I love the windows and I love the modular open design. I love how open the space feels. I don't feel like I'm secluded in a building. I feel like I'm working outside now, and it's absolutely amazing. I can spend, I would say, an extra 2 hours a day here easily.
I think it really helps with morale. Makes people feel like their work is valued and that they're doing something more important.
New unit ops space is really outstanding for undergraduates to get an industrial level experience before they launch into their careers.
If you look at the state of Ohio in terms of how many plastics and automotively oriented companies are here in the state, many of them are essentially applied chemical companies.
This building helps support education of chemists and chemical engineers who can enter industries like polymers and support for automotive industry and biotechnology, all things that have a firm basis here in Ohio.
We want to make sure we retain those jobs, and we also have to create the next generation of companies that will then bring more jobs into Ohio. So for us, the chemical, the biochemical, as well as the engineering side is critical for being able to do that for the state to make sure that we have great strength going forward.
Since I've been at Ohio State for a semester in this brand new building, I'm comparing the labs that I tour on graduate school visits to this lab, and not very many of them can measure up to what I have here.
I think this is a top-notch facility. There's been a real sea change on how a modern research facility should be built. And I think that when they planned this building, they went out and surveyed to find out what is state of the art, and they brought that here to Ohio State.